Okay, this is Sunday, September 24th. We're at the California Capital Airshow, and you see the Thunderbirds lined up. They're getting ready to fly here in a few minutes. And today we're actually here on the front lines in the Performers tent because my brother's 1941 Steerman is on display, and it looks like we've got an F-18 that's getting ready to fly over here and be second now. So we'll just hold on here to see, where is it? There it is. All right, this is Chris Vogt, your professional connector and commercial real estate advisor.